Okay, to change the spark plug, you need some tools. The tool mainly is useful is this wrencher and all these things. Look at this. This is just an extension I add for the wrench so that I can get a spark plug out, because the first servo is the 3 spark plug in front is very easy to take off, but front 3 is very 1, 2, 3 are easy to take off. But the back one, the back servo, is not easy to access, but it's still doable. So you need something will give you enough force. Okay, so what I do here is I unplug the spark plug over here. Okay, now it's get unplugged. After you unplug it, you can use these tools. It's called a spark plug wrencher. Okay, let's take this off. Your hands, put your hands over. See. Okay, I got it. Then, if you are strong enough, you can use your hand to take it off. Otherwise, you probably need an extension. Okay, so after you take it off, everything will be easy. Let me show you. Okay, here we are. We've got the first one, number 1, out, and the rest will be very straightforward. Okay, thank you very much for watching.